Uh-huh.
Oh,
shit. Cool. Dang, that's tight.
Go to where I jumped and then do it.
And then this girl jumped from there. This is crazy. What'd you say? You want me to jump now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it totally will. But my camera will be broken.
I'll hold it.
No, it's broken. Oh, I didn't record it. Yeah. And these are the nice houses here.